Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this laptop. So first of all, you have to make sure that your device is connected to the power source and make sure that it stays connected during the entire operation. Then open the Start menu, go to Settings, and in Settings select System, then go to Recovery menu, open the Recovery menu, and then select Reset PC next to Reset this PC feature. Then if you want to perform a full reset of your PC, select Remove Everything option. The first option only removes your apps and settings, so it's basically a settings reset. Okay, so go with the second option. Now if you are connected to the internet, you can download your Windows from the cloud. By selecting the first option, this will ensure you a clean new copy of Windows. So if, for example, your system files are corrupted, or if you want to sell this PC afterwards, surely go with the first option. If you just want a regular factory reset, you can select local reinstall, and then Windows will be downloaded from your system files. On the following window, on the following page, select change settings, and then if you want to just remove your files, so if you just want to perform a regular factory reset operation, you can keep these settings like this. But if you want if you suspect any malware on your computer, you can switch this toggle to yes, and then clean the drive completely, which will take hours but will make your files harder to recover. And also, if you want to sell your computer, then you should also switch this to yes. I'm gonna go with no, simply because I don't want this video to be that long. Now also you can decide whether to download Windows from this device or from the cloud if you switch to yes on this page, if you haven't decided yet. Then click confirm. Once you're ready, click next. Wait until the factory reset is prepared, and make sure once again that your device is plugged into the power source. Click reset once you're ready, and then wait until the factory reset operation is performed. And after some time, the factory reset operation will be finished, and you'll see the setup screen in front of you. Now, if you need some help with the setup, we have an entire video on our channel titled How to Set Up This PC. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, it will be all. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.